Have you ever sat in math class and thought, when will I ever use this in real life? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into why algebra isn't just pointless math, it's actually everywhere, and you've probably used it without even realizing it. Welcome to Ledred Academy, where we explore how math and science shape the world around us. Algebra isn't just about x's and y's. It's a language, a way of describing patterns, solving problems, and predicting outcomes. Say you want to buy a laptop. You make $200 a month, and you spend $50 on food. Algebra helps you figure out, how many months will it take me to save $800? Cooking, yup, algebra. Doubling a recipe, that's ratios. Trying to adjust 3/4 of a cup into grams, that's proportional equations. How to cut wood to make a shelf fit. These are all real-world algebra applications. Game developers use algebra to move characters. Architects use it to design buildings. Even Instagram filters. Yep, algebra behind the scenes. Beyond numbers, algebra builds your logic skills. It teaches you how to break a big problem into smaller steps, and that's a life skill you'll always need. So next time you hear someone say, "I'll never use algebra," you'll know better. It's not just for tests, it's for life.